Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to access your iCloud from a computer. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to google.com. In the search bar of Google, write iCloud login. Then click the first website. Then scroll down and click sign in. Then write your email or phone number of your Apple ID. After writing your email, click this icon. Then you can continue with your password, or you can sign in with passkey if you have a passkey. Well, I'll choose continue with password. Then write your password. After writing your password, click this icon. Now iCloud will send you a 6 number to your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone. Then click allow, and now write this 6 number here. And now if you want to trust this browser, click trust. I click not now. Now that's it. We have successful access to our iCloud. So here you can access to your photos and your email, your contacts. You can also find your iPhone, and you can access to Drive. And you can, if you want to create your notes, you can create your notes here. And this is the photos that you have in your iPhone. You can also download it in your computer if you want to download it. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.